Hey, I'm Tushar, founder of Rumin. Have you ever struggled to justify a design decision to the stakeholders or found yourself second guessing your designs? As a designer myself, I get it. We've all been there, and that's exactly why we built Rumin, your AI powered design assistant which works right inside Figma. Rumin helps you analyze your designs, catch usability issues, and improve your designs without the guesswork. And the best part, no more context switching. You don't need to jump between Chrome and Figma searching for answers. Rumin works right where you design. Let me quickly show you how. Inside Figma, go to the Actions panel and fire up the Rumin plugin. Once the plugin loads, you'll see this interface. Now just select a frame and Rumin will automatically detect it. From here, you can either choose some of the quick actions, like if you need a fast UX audit, click on Analyze UI. If you want to check accessibility of your design, click Evaluate Usability Issues. Or if you're curious about layout and structure of your design, you can click on Review Visual Hierarchy. There are plenty of other options as well, but you're not just limited to them. You can ask Rumin anything and everything you want. You can chat and ask it questions like how can I improve this design, or if the spacing is consistent in this UI. Or you can even ask it questions not related to your specific design, like what's the standard button size for iOS devices, and Rumin will get back to you with instant data-backed answers. For example, let's ask Rumin, how can I improve this UI, and see what Rumin suggests. In just a few seconds, Rumin gives a detailed breakdown of the design. It suggests improving visual hierarchy, adding better data visualizations, making charts more accessible, and refining the UI elements for a smoother experience. Rumin isn't just a tool. It's like having a design mentor inside Figma, helping you make smarter and faster decisions. If this looks like something you'd like to use, sign up for early access and join the waitlist and let us know what you think. We can't wait to hear your feedback. Thank you for watching. Happy designing.